5 seconds to go. Start. Dear Sir, thank you for your prompt reply to my letter regarding the syllabus of the Southern Institute. I am anxious that my nephew should join on the resumption of the classes. He was to have begun last session but was obliged to postpone the matter through sudden illness, which caused us considerable anxiety. Unless I am mistaken, I have had the pleasure of meeting Professor Lawson, the principal of the institute, and I shall call upon him next week to arrange about textbooks and to obtain his sanction to the course which I wish my nephew to take. Thank you also for the invitation to the opening ceremony. I shall certainly be present at the function if it is at all possible. The program is very tempting, and I presume I may bring a friend. If I am not mistaken on this point, perhaps you will kindly send a postcard to that effect. Yours truly, Para. We are much obliged for your letter and estimate for the elastic web, but surely there must be some mistake in your figures. Please refer to your last letter to us, dated 26th October, in which you gave us a distinctly better price. Manifestly, the postponement of the order for a week cannot possibly have made so great a difference in the price. We realize that the web is the best finish, as it is most important. It should be, but you must try to improve upon your estimate, or you cannot hope to receive the order. You must be estimating. We think on the assumption that the web is to be silk finished. That is not so, as you will see on referring to our last letter. If there is to be a resumption of business between us, your estimate will have to be reconsidered. All we ask for is a web with the best finish, but not silk, and of a tasteful design. What can you offer to tempt us to pass the order to you, Para? The appointment of a stranger as passenger superintendent is a disappointment to the local candidates for the position. There is a rumor of a demonstration of protest against what have been called the monstrous methods of the administration in this matter. There is, however, great danger in a form of remonstrance that may provoke a dangerous outburst in place of the present contentment, and with great respect to the leaders, we fail to see any prospect of their attaining their object if they demonstrate in the way suggested. It is always the unexpected and unsuspected contingency that is likely to happen, and we expect the present emergency will prove no exception to the rule. The introduction of a policy of obstruction or destruction, or even of interference with reasonable jurisdiction, may be productive of discontentment all round. It is to be hoped every means will be sought for the attainment of the objective, Para. We fear there is no prospect of success for those who raise objection to the appointment and quite irrespective of the merits of the respective parties, we would urge the abandonment of obstructive measures and the entertainment of the suggested resort to threats. Further enlightenment is necessary if matters are to proceed smoothly henceforward. It is pleasant to turn from this subject to the attractions of the countryside, where there are numerous objects of entertainment and instruction for all who care to look for them. The jerry builder has not yet begun his destructive work, and the monstrous things which he calls architecture, but which cause disappointment and grief to the genuine architect, have not yet appeared to ruin the prospect. The unspoiled beauty of nature still remains to compel our respectful admiration and to remonstrate in silence against those whose object is to make money, even though it involves the destruction of the most glorious prospect. Para.